There are several libraries and frameworks available in Python that can be used to create a chatbot. Some popular libraries and frameworks include Chatbot, a Python library that makes it easy to generate automated responses to a user's input. It uses a selection of machine learning algorithms to produce different types of responses. This library is easy to use and has a simple API. NLTK, the Natural Language Toolkit. NLTK is a library in Python that provides tools for natural language processing tasks such as tokenization, stemming, and named entity recognition. It can be used to create chatbots that respond to user input based on patterns or classifiers. SpaSci. SpaSci is another popular library for natural language processing in Python. It is fast and efficient and can be used to create chatbots that understand and respond to user input in multiple languages. Raza. Raza is an open-source conversational AI framework that provides a comprehensive set of tools to build and deploy chatbots. It uses machine learning to understand user input and generate responses. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a popular open-source machine learning library that can be used to create chatbots using neural networks. It is a powerful library that can be used to create complex chatbots with advanced capabilities. To create a chatbot in Python, you will have to choose a library or framework that best suits your requirements and then follow the instructions provided by that library to implement your chatbot.